If you're looking for a completely legal way to watch free movies in 2026, this video is for you because many people still don't know that Pluto TV lets you stream thousands of movies completely free without paying a monthly subscription. So today, I'll show you exactly how to watch free movies on Pluto TV in 2026 step by step. Let's get started. The first thing you need to know is that Pluto TV is a completely free streaming service. Unlike Netflix or Disney Plus, you don't need a paid subscription. Instead, platform is supported by advertisements, which means you can watch movies, TV shows, and even live TV channels without paying anything. Now the first step, open your web browser, download the Pluto TV app. It's available for Android phone, Android TV, Google TV Fire, TV, Roku, Apple TVs, Smart TVs, game consoles, and many other devices, so you can watch almost anywhere. Once you open Pluto TV, you'll immediately notice two different sections. The first one is live TV, where hundreds of channels play content 24 hours a day, just like traditional television. The second section is on demand, and this is where you'll find thousands of movies and TV shows that you can watch whenever you want. Now let's find a movie. Go to the on-demand section, then choose movies. You'll see different categories like action, comedy, drama, horror, family, science fiction, classics, and many more. Simply choose the category you like, select a movie, and press play. It's really that simple. Another useful feature is search. If you're looking for a specific movie, just type its name into the search bar. If it's available on Pluto TV, it will appear instantly. Keep in mind that the movie catalog changes regularly, so some titles may arrive while others leave the platform over time. Now, here's something many people don't know. You don't even need an account to start watching. You can simply open Pluto TV, choose a movie, and begin streaming immediately. However, creating a free account gives you extra features like saving favorites, continuing where you left off, and creating a more personalized experience. Now let's talk about the ads, because this is how Pluto TV remains free. During movies, you'll see commercial breaks from time to time, just like traditional television. Once the ads finish, the movie continues automatically without requiring you to do anything. Another great advantage is that Pluto TV is completely legal. The movies and TV shows available on the platform are licensed, which means you don't need to worry about unofficial downloads or questionable websites. Everything is streamed through Pluto TV's official service. So to summarize, if you want to watch free movies on Pluto TV in 2026, simply open the Pluto TV website or app, go to the on-demand section, choose movies, select the title you want, press play, and enjoy. It's one of the easiest and safest ways to stream movies for free, because honestly, if you're looking for free entertainment without paying monthly fees, Pluto TV remains one of the best legal streaming platforms available in 2026.